There's a specific YouTube niche that's completely wide open right now. AI-generated English learning animations. And the channels doing it are printing money. I want to show you one channel, Emma Daily English. 38 videos, 368,000 subscribers. Every single video passes 1 million views. Their estimated monthly revenue, $29,800 a month. No camera, no voiceover artist, no animation team, just one AI tool. And here's the part that's hard to believe. One of the creators I'm going to show you had 0 views just a few weeks ago. He posted one AI animation story, 82,000 views in 2 weeks. The niche is real, the demand is real, and most people haven't even found it yet. Now let's talk about why most people never get there. The old workflow to make one of these videos looked like this. 3 to 5 team members, scriptwriter, animator, voiceover artist, editor, thumbnail designer, 40 to 60 hours of production time per video, 6 to 8 different tools or subscriptions, scripting AI, image gen, video gen, audio editor, timeline editor, export tool. Significant technical skill required across all of them. That's why most people quit before they ever upload their first video. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to collapse that entire workflow into one tool, one platform, one person, and produce a fully animated, upload-ready English learning video in under 5 minutes. The tool is called Flova AI. Flova AI isn't just an AI video generator, it's an end-to-end creative production platform. Script, character design, 3D animation, voiceover, timeline editing, export, all inside one dashboard. Before I walk you through the full build, I want to highlight the one feature that separates Flova from every other AI video tool on the market: Skills. Here's what Skills does. Instead of starting from scratch every single time, re-entering your style preferences, re-explaining your channel format, rebuilding your characters, you train Flova once on your workflow and it remembers it. The most powerful skill for channels like Emma Daily English is the reference video remix skill. Here's how it works. Upload any existing video you want to replicate. Yours or a competitor's Flova breaks it down. Visual style, scene structure, pacing, character design, audio format. Then it generates new videos in that exact format at scale with your content. This is how these channels maintain consistency across 38 videos. Same visual style, same character design, same pacing. The audience recognizes it, trusts it, and keeps watching. The other skills worth knowing: script-driven video. Upload a script, Flova animates it. Story-driven video. Give a topic, Flova writes and animates the full story. Music video and product commercial. Each one is a complete production workflow, not just a prompt. Once you've set up your skills, you're not just making videos, you're running a repeatable content system. Click the link in the description. Sign up takes 30 seconds, just email and password. When you log in for the first time, you get free credits to build your first full video. No credit card required to get started. Once you're in, you land on the main dashboard. This is where everything happens. Don't touch anything yet. The biggest mistake new creators make is picking a random topic and hoping it performs. We're not guessing. I've put together a prompt that generates viral English learning story ideas, calibrated specifically for this format and this niche. Link is in the description. Open Claude AI, it's free. Paste the prompt, hit enter. In seconds, you get 10 story ideas that are funny, emotionally engaging, and built to travel. Pick one, copy it. Back in Flova, click on Story-Driven Video under Popular Skills. If you've already set up your channel's reference video skill, select that instead. It will automatically match your channel's visual style. For your AI generation model, select Seedance 2.0. Right now, it produces the best 3D animation quality for this style of content. You don't need to test others. This is the one. Paste in your topic. Hit Generate. A new screen opens with the chat panel on the right, exactly like talking to an AI assistant. Flova asks 3 quick setup questions. Aspect ratio, select 16:9 for YouTube longform. 9:16 if you're making shorts or TikTok. Video length, type 10 minutes. That's the sweet spot for watch time and ad revenue in this format. Script. Select Write the script for me. This is the whole point. You write nothing. Hit Next. The AI starts generating your full video script. In under a minute, your complete 10-minute script appears, with storyboards and scene breakdowns for all 8 scenes. A scriptwriter would charge hundreds of dollars and take hours to produce this. Flova then asks in the chat, should it create your character reference images? Type, yes, generate a character reference image for me. Hit send. In under a minute, you have fully designed 3D characters, unique faces, expressions, consistent style. These characters will appear throughout your entire video without variation. No designer, just one prompt. Type generate video in the chat box. Hit send. Flova builds every scene individually using the character references it just created. You'll see them loading one by one. Don't close the window, let it run. This scene-by-scene rendering with locked character references is what creates visual consistency across your entire video. That consistency is the difference between channels that look professional and channels that look cheap. When scenes finish, review them. If a scene looks wrong expression, wrong character, wrong framing, upload your own character image and hit regenerate. Flova rebuilds just that one clip while keeping everything else intact. This is a real editing interaction, not just a generation button. You're directing the video in real time through the chat panel? Type add all videos to timeline in the chat. Flova automatically sequences every clip in the correct order. Then it asks about audio. Generate automatically or bring your own. For most creators starting out, generate. Within a minute, 3 tracks appear under your timeline. Background music, sound effects, narration, voiceover, synced to your scenes automatically. You don't touch any of it manually, it's done. Hit export in the top right corner. Flova renders your complete video and gives you a downloadable file. That file is a fully edited, fully animated, AI-generated 3D English learning video ready to upload right now. Think about what that means for your workflow. No switching between ChatGPT for the script, Midjourney for images, Runway for video, 11 Labs for voice, and DaVinci for editing. No stitching together outputs that don't match in style or quality. No rebuilding your character design every time you start a new video. Flova handles all of it. One login, one monthly plan, one workflow. For $19 per month, you get access to 20+ elite AI models, including Seedance 2.0 and top-tier image models, plus Flova's full production suite. Compare that to what the fragmented stack costs. ChatGPT plus $20 per month, Midjourney $10 to $30 per month, Runway or Kling $15 to $35 per month, 11 Labs $11 to $99 per month, DaVinci Resolve or Premiere $0 to $55 per month. That's $56 to $240 plus per month for a fragmented stack that still requires skill to operate. Flova replaces all of it for $19. Before I say anything else, here's the video Flova just made. Watch this.
Does it got more view?
Oh, yay! Time, for your sake, the odds are like back. Woo!
First,
Help!
5 minutes, one topic, one platform. No editing skills, no team, no $120 plus per month tool stack. That's exactly what those million-view channels are uploading. And now you know how to do it yourself. Link to Flova is in the description. Sign up, get free credits, build your first video today. No spending required. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe.